Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm really tired.
Why can't you just, you're on regular recording.
Yeah, I'm not going to do YouTube because that does it. That takes more time. No, that gets it less time. But we have a problem. Baby bird. Nest.
Yeah, I'm kind of in goggles to try and get the nest down so I don't get stuff in my eyes. I know I look very weird.
But who cares?
The bird's name is Lucy.
Yeah, the bird's name is Lucy. And there's nothing left in the nest. So all the baby birds have flown away.
And Mom.
Yes, and Mom.
So it's gonna die.
Don't say that!
I'm sorry, I just told you.
Don't say that it's going to die.
Dang, this bird nest is not coming down. It's not coming down.
Come on. It's okay. Come on. Just try and eat, please. Please, my finger's right here. Try and eat.
I'm gonna try and
Bruh.
get that down later. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Dang.
I'm not here to hurt you. I've already gotten pecked by you and it does not hurt. So don't even try.
I haven't.
Oh my god. Should I pick him up and see if anything's wrong with him? Because if he was left behind, there's something wrong with him. Mama Rouge don't just do
Him?
that. Her.
Okay.
Just
Pick him up!
see, you're calm. Look at that. There's a couple feathers breached.
Huh?
Breached.
What does that mean?
Means that they aren't fully grown in.
Oh. Hey, buddy.
I see what I'm trying to eat now. Is that a turd?
No.
Do you have more of this?
Yeah,
Okay.
a bunch more.
Okay, I'm making sure. Try to put some in my hand. Just...
I'm gonna try and eat.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna try and eat. No? You're really not scared of us now.
Probably is, but... Come on. Worms.
Oh,
Worms. Dig. I'm kidding.
God. Oh, God.
Can we?
You can dig, I'm not. You know what would have been better than scattering them all on the blanket?
Putting them in a dish?
Yes.
You know it.
Is there anything wrong with her?
No, I gotta see. Just we need to clean up right there. But we don't do that. No. Look at her claws. Look at her claws.
Hi, Birdie.
You got good
Hi,
grip.
Birdie. Hi, Bird.
What if that's their mama? Bring her over. Bring her over. Should we walk across the street and just have the bird in our hand?
Yeah,
And if she flies away, then... Oh,
you can. I'll just sit here and watch. She's pacing back and forth. Like, when are you gonna get away from my nest? If this is her nest. And that's her baby.
protected the baby. chickens can raise her. Which, actually, no, the chickens will kill her.
You okay, babies?
She looks like there's just a wall there and she can't turn around, but she can turn around and... Let's just try and build her a nest.
Hi.
Because we can't. I can't get that nest down.
Take off the branch. Like, just take off that branch and put it down. And
No,
take
something's caught and I can't figure out what. Like it's holding it and pulling it. Just gonna try and build it in.
Okay.
I don't want her to go without a nest. Hey, baby. I know you're scared. I'm just gonna move you right there.
Here, I'll move your water out of the way too. To like right there. You're okay, babies?
Nope, I need a curvy stick.
Curvy stick?
Yes. It's gonna take a lot of time to build this.
Oh my goodness. How do you even build a nest?
I don't know. I've never built a nest before. How do I know?
Oh, I thought because you love animals you know how to build a nest.
No, I'm not a bird.
You want to get a drink of water? You're walking around.
He's pecking at my finger. Idea time. If he's pecking at my finger, he can eat one of these seeds then. My finger? Wanna bite my finger? Oh,
What?
look at him.
He's scared. She's scared. Lucy is scared. If you guys have any ideas of what to do because the mama bird left him, comment down below.
He pooped. I scared the crap out of him. He pooped. I scared the crap out of him.
Well, I'm gonna end this video.
Up.
I'm gonna end this video, and I'll make another video once the nest is done.
Move. Oh no! Don't go in your poop. Move. Move.
Ew, gross.
Oh. I was wanting to do it. Yes,
Well,
that'll work better. Hey.
bye, guys. I guess. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Lucy.
Bye bye.